Hello guys! Today we're again starting with Russian language, with improving this language. May be so difficult for you, but with me it will be not, I promise you. So let's start today with gender of the noun. Well, in Russian we have three different gender. So it's like a feminine, if you have it in English, masculine and neuter. So, look like neuter, it's in English it's like it. But what is the difference between Russian and English? For example, in English you can say it if it's some object, not breathing, not speaking, not communicating, it's not in life, it's some object, so it's not human being, let's say. But in Russian, it can be also, if it's even object, like table, for example, it can be masculine. Like in Russian, table it's masculine, or marker, it's masculine. Even if it's not a man or someone who can speak with you or dream about something, or I don't know. Do you understand what I mean? So it's different way to choose the gender in Russian language instead of say it in English. Okay, let's see. For example, in masculine gender, I showed you that this is the end of the words. Okay, it's the end of the words, but it's a singular, but here plural. Okay, can be singular to plural. Singular to plural, you can see how it's changing singular to plural. Okay, so in singular, you can see I, this letter at the end of the word, or мягкий знак. You remember this letter, мягкий знак. If you didn't watch my previous videos, I can tell you now that мягкий знак, it's a letter that without sound. It's just a letter to make previous letter softer. Or maybe if you have we have a rule, like the word, let's say ночь, it's a feminine word, ночь, it means night, should be мягкий знак at the end because it's a female word. For sure we have to use this мягкий знак at the end. It's like a rule, Okay, but we are not talking about that. We're talking about different rule now. So anyway, just in case I want you to know. So let's see that I краткий, this letter I, will be at the end of the word if it's a masculine word, noun masculine, and you want to change it to plural, and you can see I at the end. For example, музей, like museum, музей. You see I at the end. So to say a lot of museums, so you can see музеи. You see? But for example, словарь. You see р with мягкий знак at the end. So р, instead of say р, more softer because мягкий знак at the end. Словарь. Словарь, but a lot of dictionaries means словари. Словари. I at the end. So музей, музеи. Словарь, словари. Okay? If you see that here, okay, I didn't show you, L would be L, change to U. Stol, столы. И at the end. Here, и, мягкий знак. So, столы, a lot of tables. Столы, стол, it's a masculine word, noun. И at the end, it means a lot of, if you are talking about plural, столы. Okay? Next, it's a female word. Female, at the end, if you can see R, and you can see this female word, it's noun, and R at the end. To say a lot of, you should see, for example, lampa, one lamp, lampa, but a lot of лампы. Okay? И at the end because it's a plural. So, next. So, you can see here if it's a female word, for example, lampa will be лампы. If it's a lot, you can see R changing to E. Okay, it's difficult to say this letter, I know, but try again and again and watch again this video. I try to pronounce this letter, okay? Can you hear? Лампы. You see? Okay, лампа, but лампы. Two. Here, лампы. A lot of lamps here. Okay, next. If you can see this noun at the end, you can see ya. It means if we are talking about plural, you should see и at the end. Okay? So неделя, неделя, it's a week. Недели, недели, неделя, недели, if it's plural. Okay? И я at the end, changing to ii. История, истории. История, it means story. История, истории. One история, одна история. Three, five, three истории. Истории. Okay? At the end, female, at the end you can see мягкий знак. I told you about мягкий знак before. Like ночь, it means night, changing to ночи, because e at the end you can see how these letters is changing. How this letter will be changed. So ночь, ночи, ночь, ночи. Neuter, like O to R. For example, face, лицо. Лицо, it's my face, моё лицо. But I can see a lot of faces. Лица. Лица. Лицо, it means it's a neuter or at the end, changing to R to be plural. Okay? Next, е, changing to я. So, море means sea, море, changing to моря. You see? Моря. Я under the stress. Я. Моря. Море, моря. Okay? Sea. Here, ие changing to ия. Здание. It's a building. Здание. Five. It's a здания. Okay? Next, мя changing to ена. It's difficult, but I think it's like if you pronounce it all the time and you're listening some Russian sentence, for you it would be easier, really. Имя, it means name, my name, моё имя. Change into имена, yours, names. Like имена. You, my subscribers, have a lot of different names, like имена. Okay? Имена. Имя, имена. So, let's repeat again to see how it's changing without rules, without explanation. Стол, столы. Музей, музеи. Словарь, словари. Лампа, лампы. Неделя, недели. История, история. Истории. Ночь, ночи. Лицо, лица. Стресс и. Море, моря. Здание, здания. Имя, имена. You see? I hope my lesson will be helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know. But at the end, I want to let you know that in one sentence, if you see adjectives close to the noun, all adjectives will be at the same gender, with the same end of the word. You will see how this gender or how this adjective will be changing at the same sentence. And for example, if you are talking about one noun like lampa, but lampa, blue, bright, nice. In Russian, you can see the end of the adjective will be the same. For example, лампа голубая, ая at the end, красивая, beautiful, ая at the end, and I don't know, useful, нужная, again, ая at the end. Do you see? Three genders or three different adjectives has the same gender because we are talking about one noun, about lamp. Okay? Just to let you know, because I know a lot of foreigners have problem with it. So be careful. See you next time.